Hello there. Welcome to the sixth video, number 6 in the tutorial for readyRANDOM. In this tutorial we are going to cover the Other tab. In the Other tab for readyRANDOM is where you're going to go to select your color scheme for the program. So by default readyRANDOM starts with the red scheme that we use as a default. However, you can choose your own color scheme to match your particular broadcast style. So if you wanted a pink and purple scheme, for example, you can just click on this pink and purple button. If you wanted pink and black, you could click on pink and black. If you were more of a purple and pastel kind of person, you could click on that, or green. There's a multiple selections that you can choose for your colors here. You can go blue, green, purple, red, light blue, pink, purple and blue, or purple and teal, and orange and, or rather yellow and blue, and orange and black, a pink and black, and a pink and purple. Now I hope I got all those colors right. I think I did, although I will admit I'm a little colorblind, so I may have gotten some of those colors wrong. And if you look at here, if you go to any of these other tabs, it is going to be the color that you selected. So if we selected the purple and teal, you're going to notice that that color scheme matches what we had selected on that other tab. Now let's say that you don't like any of these pre-configured colors. What you can do is click here to use custom colors, and that opens up a listing of custom colors that you can choose from. So right now what's listed in this listing is what we're currently using, but let's say for example that you liked the teal color buttons or banners, tabs, whatever you want to call them, but you didn't like the purple background. What you could go and do here is click on main background and then select one of these colors, or you could go in here and select a define custom color to select something more specific. So let's say we wanted to change the purple to a, I don't know, let's say a green color. Perhaps, I don't know, maybe this green, or a darker green, maybe something like this. So you just select your green, say OK. You can see that your preview for that color is already listed here, and your main text, which would match your main background, you want to make sure that that text is a color that would work well with that color that you've chosen. So for example, if you've chosen a darker color for your background, you want to choose a lighter color text. So in this case we chose a green color background. We would want to choose maybe a white text. Now to apply that color scheme, you just click on the apply button. You can see that it automatically changed our main background to green, and if we look at any of these other tabs, that main background is in there as green. So you can actually go through and set a custom configuration to what you like your colors to be. Now let's say that you find a color scheme that you just dig, that matches your sort of look and feel of your broadcast just right. Let's go ahead and, actually let me go ahead and move this chat out of the way for us. Oops. Let's say that you found a color scheme that you enjoyed and you wanted to save that color scheme so that it would be easy for you to load in the future. You very easily just click on save, give it a name, so for example green, purple, and say save. It's going to save that file as a CLR file, which stands for color. So we gave it a name of green-purple.clr. Now let's say that we wanted to come in here later and change to that saved color. You would just again go to custom colors, click on load, select the color scheme that you wanted to select. So in this case the green-purple, and then you would click on open, and you see that it automatically applies that color scheme that you had saved. So that's pretty simple. That explains the Other tab and gives you the ability to custom configure your color scheme for your own personal copy of readyRANDOM. Stay tuned for the last video in this series, which will describe the jail tab.